Oh, there goes the neighbor. Sometimes I come out in the nighttime with my little lamp on. Not that often, once or twice a month. And I just pick off every slug I see. It's not in me to kill them. It's just not. I just went through and picked some old leaves off that big collard, and these slugs were on the plant. Give them the scraps, let them live there and do their thing. They can live wherever as long as it's not in my garden. Phew, it's cold. I agree with you. This is too many slugs. I'm sacrificing one leaf. That's my dinner. I'll just throw this leaf outside the garden and toss all these guys on it. Here's the takeaway. This is my plant. There's no damage. There's a little hole here and there. But as long as I come out every couple of weeks and check my plants, they're perfect. Those slugs that were in my hand, they came off of this plant. Oh, there's one right there. I'll just get him. Here, buddy. It's a rainy day, all day, and it's been raining for 2 days and cloudy, which is a great time to do a slug check on your plants because they all come out in the daytime. Plant looks great. I'm not getting massive damage. I'm still getting everything I need for dinner. These guys, I just kicked them out of the garden. That's it. No chemicals, no insecticides, no pesticides. I recognize when I talk about gardening in this way, I'm speaking to a minority. Those of us who have chosen to become one with the natural way of things. While we may be in the minority today, I think it's only because we're ahead of the curve. If you think gardening with nature is hard, imagine what it's going to be like living without it. So how do I get a chemical-free garden? I come out in the dark with my light on and pick them off. Thanks for watching. See ya.